back to the channel, guys. It's Terrence Smoking Asphalt. Today we're going to be talking about the 66 Mustang. And we are in the driver's seat of the 66 Mustang. Check out this original steering wheel. Wood. It's made out of wood. It's got a crack in it. That's alright. Dashboard. I removed the dash pad. Unfortunately, I'm going to be replacing it. Had a crack in it. AC. Original AC car. Mustang Rally. Check it out, huh? I did install a tachometer on there because I want to keep track of the RPMs of that 289 under the hood. Check out that headliner. Check this out. 1966 Mustangs, they got these 3 fingers going across. So, I mean, you see a lot of these going down the road. 64 and a half, 65, 66. But wherever you see a 66, you'll know now. Bought this car with the Magnum 500 wheels. These are 15 by 6 with BF Good wrench 205 60/15, all 4 corners. Hey, this is the original 289. Came with the car, untouched. I don't think it's been rebuilt. Still runs great. Haven't had any issues with it. I do plan on pulling it out, cleaning it up. Placed a radiator in it. I was having some cooling issues. I still need to install the shroud. This 66 Mustang is still sitting on the original springs. That's leaf springs in the back and coils up front. I did replace the shocks with some KYBs. You guys ready to go for a ride? guys enjoyed the video on the Mustang, stay tuned because next video, hopefully we'll have that Camaro back up and running and be able to do a cold start for y'all so y'all can hear that cam chop. Give this video a like if you guys enjoyed. If you're new to the channel, subscribe for more content like this, and peace out.